Well, what do we have here? Is this what it's all a hype about? Finally, team late. Let's see. Quality check. Dope box check. But for 225, you already know. It's hashtag brick by brick. Brody, hit my track.
It's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Emoneyshoes here. I'd like to welcome all my new family members to the Money Squad, with his kids, cakies, aunties, uncles, whatever you want to call it. Welcome for joining the Money Squad. Share it out. We on the road to 3K. Like I said, I still got to do the giveaway. But real quick, tomorrow we have Who Has the Heat 2. Round 2 is Juggernaut of Soul versus Gone AWOL. Tune in at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with my fam on the panel. 313 Retro Queen. Check out PMKICKZ and MENMYKICKS. Just hit that 1K. You feel me? Also, who been helping me out a whole bunch is my little sis and other sis, Princess Fame and Pam H. Go check them out as well. You dig? Also, we have the sponsors, SNOOCHS Customs, Money Run Clothing. Go chop it up with them. Everything will be in the description below. So you already know me. Hashtag Team Late, Team Cheapo, whatever you want to call it. Let's jump right into this review. As you can see, got this box here. One last shot or two last shot I gotta do. Shout out to my peeps, Flight 23 in Waikiki in the international marketplace, and shout out to my daughter for squaring her motherfucker away. Now back to the review. Fives are not my most favorite, but let me tell y'all, this shoe is dope. Size 10. I go down and see you got the QR code for that $225. Woo, that hurt deep down in the bone. But you see you got that stamp. But y'all already know I ain't the one for that. No 225 over here. You got this black inside the box. You got the receipt on deck. Look at that, $164. You know me, always looking for that steal. Then you got that black paper there. So you gotta have all of this stuff. All of that. You got black paper there. You got white paper there. I appreciate this shoe. Definitely, I mean, 225 is steep, but for the quality I've seen, it is worth it. So we gotta back this ass up so we can go bam, just like that, straight like that on that ass. That ass shot right there, coming around. Got the Michigan 5. I don't know if I would have caught these. Actually, they would have had the M on there, so I am cool with these joints right here. Another Tinker Hatfield shoe. As y'all didn't know, 3, 4, 5, 6 was the air units, and after that they just went with the air. So let's go right into it, shall we? Got the Jordan herringbone traction, icy blue bottom. Gotta make sure you keep it clean after you wear it so it won't get yellowed. So, but if you don't care, you don't care, right? On this toe box, you got that back booty stroke motion. I don't know if you can see it, but very, very dope. See, look at that. Excellent execution. Hercules. And all of that good stuff. You got your blue laces. You got your lace lock. Up here, let me see. Do you got your little mini Jordan on there? Yes, you do. It's in the inside. It's yellow. You got your reflective tongue. It probably won't be too reflective outside. It look real big on some shoes, but dope. Then you got your stitched in Jump Man right there, coming around on the side. Like I said, This is a Tinker Hatfield shoe based off a fighter plane. That's why you got those shark's teeth on there. So all the Tinker Hatfield shoe had to do with something with Jordan, with the sports cars, him fighter plane, just something that would love Michael Jordan had to do. Then you got your netting here, which is very, very dope. Then you got your stitch here around the eyelets, which I think is very, very dope as well. You got your mini air unit right there. The birds must be happy because they are chirping, whirping right there. Then instead of your normal Nike Air or your Jumpman, you got the team quality stitch in the back, what I think is a very nice hit. And you got the Inspire, because this is the Inspire pack. Instead of Jordan upside down, you have the Inspire, and it's all plush around the ankle support. Very, very dope. Coming around on the media side, same thing, but you got a little bit of speckles. You got your netting, and you got, like I said, you just got that back booty stroke on this shoe. As you can see, I'm real hyped about this shoe. And inside, you got that yellow. I don't know if you can see it, but it is looking very, very, very nice. So, we get to the point where we all know and love, because like I said, I don't like to keep y'all too long on the Litty Lit meter. I'm going to give these joints a 4.9 out of 5. You feel? Alright, I'm back. So on the Litty Lit meter, I give this a 4.9 out of 5. That's right, a 4.9 out of 5. You feel me? So, like I said, check out the show tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tell a family member, friend, we on the move to 3K. You dig? It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.
It's the South's favorite mixtape supplier. DJ Low is in the building.
Bitch, I'm rockin' chain like a field nigga. How the fuck you real nigga, squeal nigga? Roll that pressure up and pop a seal nigga. Come that baby girl, I'm tryna build with. Heard you getting money, how I feel nigga.